Hey guys, it's Sisterhood here, and today we're going to be doing some of my squishies. I did not bring all of them, obviously, because we are at a park, and that background noise is just awful. So my first one is a triple layer strawberry cake. But the strawberries are like starting to fall off. This one's like the best attached. These two are like the best attached. The other ones are just like boop. Then I have this I Bloom strawberry. It's semi-slow rising, but it's not like super slow rising. Yeah, it's kind of fast, like. Yeah. Then I have this kawaii starry-eyed bun. So tiny, I had to zoom in. I know, right? Then I have this, I don't know what this one's called, but it's like, it's one of these where you like customize it yourself, but I actually got this one from somebody, so they put like a face on it. So it was originally like just like a blue heart bun.
Who did you get it from?
Bella.
Oh.
Heart eye kawaii cat bun. I think this is like egg filled dumpling or something.
I gotta show the camera.
This one's really slow rising.
Yeah.
And then
I just got a real close shot of your
like,
face.
And then what is this one called? I think this is
Rice-filled bread.
Yeah, this is like
time?
some type of like filled, but it only shows the outline of it. This one is incredibly slow rising.
Alright, do you want to take the camera?
Or hours later. So, okay.
So take the camera and you film me. You had to like hold like this, you know, so like.
Oh, show me.
We're still filming.
I know. Hi. I am a girl. Yes. Some people mistake me, like our one substitute teacher. He called me a girl.
A boy.
He called me a boy.
He was like, "You four gentlemen, can you please go get your math books?" And he was like, "Sorry if I mistaked your gender."
Yeah. It was disappointing.
He said mistaked too, which I don't even think is a word.
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I do not like squishies. I do find some of them very like satisfying, like this one. Like squish it. I'm more into like soccer and sports, so.
Yeah, she's not like a trendy girl.
No, I'm more of a like laid back, don't like trends, you know. So.
As you can tell from her socks and shoes. Oh my god!
So yeah, these are lines from the grass. Don't worry.
Can't really tell on camera, but she has like lines all over.
So there is our first YouTube video of Sisterhood.
Yay!
I hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, there's probably like nobody watching, but you know.
Yeah.
You get it.
Ourselves are watching, and some people who we tell go watch Sisterhood.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye.